Mother Earth gives her gifts for all to share. She gives them freely, yet she's still aware that things are changing, perhaps for the worse. How much more can she give if our future is cursed? It's way past time to put Mother Earth first, to clean up the water before we all thirst, to clean up the air before our lungs sicken, to renew the soil and feel it quicken. How long until the point of no return? How much longer until we all finally learn that to this task we all must rise and stop abusing Mother Earth before she dies? A very warm welcome to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, our dearest fellow mates, and the newest members to our assembly, our parents. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, we are here to commemorate this 22nd day of April, the Earth Day, that is supposed to inspire more awareness and appreciation for the Earth's natural environment. Everybody, in this ongoing global battle, we are all together and we are all united. And united, we stand. So, standing tall, we request you all to keep yourselves going on. With this small initiative of an online special assembly, we are here to light up a hope in your hearts that the show must go on no matter what.
Earth rejoices our words, breathing and peaceful steps. Let every breath, every word, and every step make the Mother Earth proud of us. On this occasion of Earth Day, we must express our gratitude towards Mother Earth by taking pledge to take care of our planet by planting trees, by controlling pollution, and to protect it from all the negativities. Here are the students who pledge for a better and greener earth.
Poems have the power to touch one's soul and change one's thoughts. Poems are words which are knitted magically so that they reach everyone's hearts. Here's a poem telling you about some activities which would be included in helping our Mother Earth.
William Shakespeare once said, "The earth has music for those who listen." Look deep into nature and then you'll understand everything better. Now it's time to return the favor of Mother Earth with a melodious song sung by Aradhya Agrawal and Ramya Mishra.
ए दोस्त ए यार ए यारी कैसी ए दोस्त ए यारी कैसी मुझे जीने दो और तुम भी जी लो मुझे जीने दो और तुम भी जी लो ए दोस्त ए यारी कैसी ए दोस्त ए यारी कैसी जीने दो और तुम भी जी लो मुझे जीने दो और तुम भी जी लो ए दोस्त ए यारी कैसी ए दोस्त ए यारी कैसी हाँ
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो समझे ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियों का ये पानी रुक जाएगा अगर सुन लो जो समझे ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियों का ये पानी रुक जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है मौका ये अब ना गवाए रे। टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे।